Nanotechnology, the tiny revolution shaping our future. Imagine a world where the solutions to our biggest challenges lie in the tiniest of particles. From curing untreatable diseases to providing clean water for millions and even combating climate change, the key is not something massive, it's something microscopic. This is the promise of nanotechnology, a groundbreaking science that manipulates matter at a scale so small it's invisible to the naked eye. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and dreamed big. But today, we look inward, shrinking our focus down to the atomic and molecular level to unlock innovations that can transform the world. Welcome to the fascinating universe of nanotechnology, where the tiniest changes have the power to ripple across history. In this video, we'll explore how nanotechnology works, the miraculous ways it's already improving lives, and why it's a symbol of hope for a brighter, more sustainable future. Nanotechnology is the science of things incredibly small, so small that they're measured in nanometers. To put that into perspective, 1 nanometer is about 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. Yes, it's that tiny. At this scale, matter behaves differently. Particles gain unique properties, like extra strength, enhanced electrical conductivity, or the ability to purify water. Scientists have learned to manipulate these particles to create materials, tools, and solutions that were once thought impossible. Think about it this way, while traditional science builds with blocks you can see, nanotechnology builds with particles so small, they virtually reimagine what is possible from the ground up. And the results? They're nothing short of astounding. Let's dive into how nanotechnology is already making an impact on our world. In healthcare, nanoparticles are revolutionizing medicine. Imagine a cancer treatment so precise that it delivers drugs directly to diseased cells, sparing healthy tissues. Nanotechnology makes this possible. It's also being used in regenerative medicine, where nanomaterials are helping to repair damaged tissues, potentially reversing the effects of diseases or injuries. Now, think about energy. Nanotechnology is reshaping how we create and store energy. Solar panels made with nanomaterials are capturing sunlight more efficiently, while advanced nanotech batteries allow for longer storage and improved electric vehicle performance. This isn't just better technology, it's a step forward in our fight against climate change. And it doesn't stop there. When it comes to the environment, nanotechnology is paving the way. Take water purification, for example. Millions of people lack access to clean water, but nanotech filters can remove harmful contaminants down to the nanoscale, delivering drinkable water in seconds. In materials science, nanotechnology creates materials that are lighter, stronger, and more durable. Did you know airplanes are already using nanomaterials to reduce weight, make flights more fuel efficient, and reduce emissions? These advancements could also lead to safer vehicles and more affordable space exploration. These breakthroughs are just the beginning. Every year, researchers push the boundaries of nanotechnology to discover new ways this tiny science can improve our lives. The most exciting part of nanotechnology is its potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. Let's break it down. Diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's continue to devastate lives globally. Nanotechnology offers hope. Nanomedicine is creating tools for earlier, more accurate diagnoses and cutting-edge treatments. Imagine a world where a tiny device in your bloodstream detects an illness before you ever show symptoms. This is what nanotechnology is working toward. Global warming is one of the most urgent crises of our time. Clean energy, efficient storage, and carbon capture technology made with nanomaterials are positioning nanotechnology as a critical weapon in reducing our carbon footprint. What's more, nanotechnology's ability to improve energy efficiency and optimize industrial processes could cut emissions on a massive scale. Access to clean water is a basic human right, yet millions don't have it. Nanotech water filters can change this reality, purifying water in remote or disaster-hit areas where traditional solutions fall short. Through nanotechnology, clean water is closer to becoming a universal resource. Think about it, whether it's healing the sick, protecting the planet, or helping underserved populations, nanotechnology is shaping a more sustainable and equitable world for all of us. Every scientific breakthrough has a story, stories of individuals who dared to dream big and work small. One such pioneer is Dr. Richard Feynman, often called the father of nanotechnology, who in 1959 posed the challenge of manipulating matter at the atomic level. Few believed his vision back then, but today, millions of researchers are carrying his ideas forward. These innovators face an uphill battle. For decades, nanotechnology skeptics doubted its practicality. But through persistence and creativity, scientists have developed groundbreaking solutions that have proven its value. Consider the invention of nanoparticles that target cancer cells or self-cleaning surfaces that repel bacteria. These achievements were once thought impossible but are now saving lives and protecting public health. What sets these innovators apart is the courage to think small, because small ideas often bring about the biggest changes. For years, science fiction has imagined a world where machines work at the atomic scale, with nanobots repairing cells in our bodies or reshaping ecosystems. But here's the catch, it's no longer fiction. The gap between imagination and reality is shrinking rapidly, thanks to nanotechnology. Take nanobots, for example. While still in development, these microscopic machines could one day navigate the human body to repair tissues, deliver targeted therapies, or even reverse the effects of aging. Beyond healthcare, the possibilities for autonomous nanodevices are endless. It's a reminder that dreams fuel discovery and that today's boldest ideas may quickly become tomorrow's most vital innovations. The beauty of nanotechnology isn't just in what it's achieving today but in the infinite possibilities for the future. Picture a world where disease is eradicated, every person has access to clean resources, and our technological advancements don't harm the environment. All thanks to the incredible potential of nanotechnology. But here's the real message: innovation doesn't happen magically. It starts with curiosity, bold ambitions, and the determination to make a difference. Students, scientists, and ordinary dreamers are the ones turning nanoscale ideas into life-changing breakthroughs. You might not be a scientist, and that doesn't matter. You can still play a role. Support STEM education, advocate for sustainable technology, and believe in the power of human ingenuity. Remember, every transformative idea starts with someone believing they can change the world, even if that change begins 1 nanometer at a time. As we've journeyed through the fascinating world of nanotechnology, one message stands clear: small things can lead to monumental change. This science reminds us that progress doesn't always come from massive efforts but often from the tiniest, most precise strokes of ingenuity. Nanotechnology is more than a tool for advancing technology, it's a symbol of hope, showing us what's possible when we look closer, think smaller, and dare to dream bigger. The world is changing, and nanotechnology is at the forefront of that change. Our choice now is whether we embrace this tiny revolution to create a future filled with possibility. The next era of innovation is here. And it all begins with something unimaginably small.